In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset an LG Aristo smartphone. The first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Continue to hold down both of these buttons until you see the screen appear, and then immediately let go of the power button while still holding down the volume down button. And then when you let go of the power button, immediately press and hold down the power button again. Okay? Let go of the power button. Now press the power button. Okay, now let go of both of the buttons. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to yes. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to yes. Press the power button. And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.